Namaskar, welcome to OPSC OS A to Z. OPSC OCS preliminary examination 2023 ର question number 10 ଯାଏ ଆମେ already discuss କରିସାରିଛେ. So let's start from question number 11. Which of the following are primary pollutants? Before going to the options, let's know what are primary pollutants. Primary pollutants are directly emitted into the environment from both natural and human resources. So option 1, carbon monoxide is correct, sulfur dioxide right, volatile organic compounds BOCs are correct. Volatile organic compounds are organic compounds that evaporate easily at room temperature, emitted from various sources like paint, solvent, industrial processes. So option 4, nitric oxide, chlorofluorocarbons, CFCs, then radioactive pollutants, all are primary pollutants. Particulate matter PM also a primary pollutant. So all options are correct. Option D is the right answer here. Mainly there are two type of pollutants. One is your primary pollutant, the second one is your secondary pollutant. And secondary pollutants are formed in the atmosphere when primary pollutants reacts with each other or other substances, like your smog. Smog is a combination of smoke and fog. Ozone is basically formed from the nitrogen oxides when it react with volatile organic compounds. Ozone is formed. So here option D is the right answer. Primary pollutants ପଚରା ଯାଇଥିଲା. So question number 12 को ଯିବା. Consider the following statements. Option 1, meteorological drought is based on the impact of the rainfall deficits on the water supply. Yes, this is right. Then coming to socio-economic drought refers to the impact of the drought conditions on the supply and demand of the economic goods. This is also right. Option C is the right answer here. Coming to question number 13, with reference to the cloud seeding, consider the following statement. Option 1, it is a weather modification technique that improves the cloud's ability to produce rain or snow by introducing tiny icy nuclei into certain type of soft freezing clouds. Yes, option 1 is right here. Option 2, aluminum hydroxide is the most common chemical used for the cloud seeding. No, this is wrong. Aluminum hydroxide use करा जाएनी. Mainly silver iodide or dry ice is silver iodide and dry ice is used in cloud setting. So option A is the right answer, only one. Coming to question number 14. National Air Quality Index is launched by the government to monitor the quality of the air in the major urban centers across the country on a real-time basis and enhancing the public awareness of taking mitigation action. In this context, consider the following statement. Air Quality Index AQI will have one number, one color, and one description to inform the public about air quality in a simple and easily understandable format. Yes, option 1 is right. There are 6 air quality index categories, namely good, satisfactory, moderately polluted, poor, very poor, severe. Yes, this is right. The index considers 8 pollutants. No, the index considers 6 pollutants. 6 pollutants are your PM10 is right here. PM2.5 is also right. Nitrogen oxide, this is also right. Sulfur dioxide, right. Carbon monoxide is right. Ozone O3, right. NS3 and PB is not included in the air quality index. So option 3 is wrong here. Option 1 and 2 is correct. Option C is the right answer here. Coming to question number 15. Which of the following best describes the temperature, the term deep ecologism? The philosophy that believes in specific changes in the daily lifestyle of humans to minimizing the damage to the environment. No, this is wrong. The philosophy that believes that humans should radically change their relationship with nature. Yes, this is right. A set of sustainable practices to increase the fish production. No, and none of the above. No. So option B is the right answer here. Coming to question number 16, the ability of population to increase under ideal environmental condition is called. This is your biotic potential is the right answer. Biotic potential. Natality means your the ratio of the number of birds to the size of the population is natality. Carrying capacity is maximum population size of the biological species that can be sustained by the specific environment. And your absolute natality is the maximum number of offspring or organism could potentially produce under ideal resources rich condition with no competition. And here the biotic potential is the right answer, because biotic potential maximum reproductive capacity of a species under ideal or unlimited environmental conditions. So option C is the right answer. Coming to question number 17, which disaster is most likely to be influenced by the climate change? This is option C is the right answer here. Tropical cyclone. Other options are earthquake, tsunami, and volcanic eruption. All are belong to your endogenic effect. So option C is the right answer here. Question number 18. Tidal waves are caused by which of the following gravitational interactions? So এটা ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ ଆସିବା ଦରକାର. ଅପସନ୍ ସି ଇଜ୍ ଦ ରାଇଟ୍ ଆନ୍ସର୍. ମୁନ୍ସ ଗ୍ରାଭିଟେସନାଲ୍ ଇମ୍ପାକ୍ଟ ଅନ୍ ଦ ଆର୍ଥ. ଏଇଟା ଭୁଲ ହେବା କଥା ନୁହେଁ. ଇଟ୍ସ ଅ ଭେରି ଇଜି କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ୍. କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ୍ ନମ୍ବର 19କୁ ଯିବା. It's a physics question, I think. A square-shaped hole is punched in a metal sheet whose linear thermal expansion coefficient is 1 into 10 to the power minus 3 per degree Celsius. The size of the hole is decreased by 10% when. So here, when the let's solve this. When metal expands, square shape hole is there. When metal expand kariba setebele hole also expands. Metal contract kale hole bhi contract karibo. So here what is given? Thermal expansion coefficient देची alpha हमको दे दीजिए 1 into 10 to the power minus 3. Alpha is given. Then our formula है del L by L is equal to alpha into del T. Here L is expansion or contraction, difference between the expansion and contraction of the length, and here T is the temperature, alpha is the thermal expansion coefficient. So we can put here del L by L is equal to your जेतु 10% decrease है minus जीवो minus 10% means your minus 0.1. Del L by L is equal to minus 0.1. Alpha here is 1 into 10 to the power minus 3. So here we can find del T. Del T, one second. Del T is equal to your minus 0.1 divided by 1 into 10 to the power minus 3. From this we can get 100 degree Celsius. So the sheet is cooled by 100 degree Celsius. Option C is the right answer. 19, option C is the right answer. Question number 20 को जिबा. Which among the following has the least thermal conductivity? Here options are metal. Metal are highly conductive, so এটা तो easily eliminate करि परिबे. Semiconductor comes between your insulator and metal, so it's moderately, it can carry conductivity up to certain level. Conductor like your silicon and germanium, they are example of semiconductor. Metals are the copper, aluminum are have high thermal conductivity. Superconductors have the special quality. Uh, then your unique thermal properties they have. Thermal conductivity lower than the metal but can vary based on the material or temperature. Superconductor and alloy are the mixture of metal and non-metal, like your steel and brass, and they have least thermal conductivity. Option D is the right answer here. So here we have completed 10 questions. Thank you.